Hey everybody, this is Chris from the History Collectors Forum. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ghostbusters life-size replica proton pack from the Spirit of Halloween. This is basically what you get when you purchase this toy from their website or from their store. And next to it is the version 2 of the replica proton pack. So let's get to it. Oh wow. I'm going to lean it onto this box here if I can. Or do I have to do it on the ground? There's some other stuff in here. Oh, the patches, the gloves. Gonna need some wire cutters. All right. Okay. All right. This has the V hook. Goes like that. Do a quick comparison. This is version 3. This is the life-size replica compared to version 2. There we go. See size difference. Put this off to the side. All right, at any rate, this is version 2. This is the third version. This is more of a life-size replica. Let's turn it on the back. Much like version 2, the battery box is right back here. Here, yep. Takes 2 AAA batteries. 3 AAA batteries. or anything else. Before I tighten this, let's see if it turns on. So it's much like the version 2, except it has this standby, this going on and this going on to turn it off. That's it. So basically nothing else besides that. Have that on. This, you get the gloves and the patches. And the instructions. Proton pack directions for use. Adjust straps on proton pack to fit for comfort. Metal wand connection is located on the side of the proton pack. Slide on and off for use. The wand features 2 buttons with 3 activations. The on-off button, press once to power on, press twice to power down. The slow blow button, press and hold to activate. Wear gloves and use ion patches as desired to personalize your own jacket or shirt. That's it. This is what you get. You get these nice patches, you get these gloves. These seem like the those yellow dishwashing gloves, but made in black. And the patches. Ghostbusters. The iconic Ghostbusters patch. And a Slimer patch. So this is what you get when you purchase the Spirit of Halloween Ghostbusters life-size replica of the Proton pack. It's bigger than the version 2. Version 2 only has that feature where you just press this button. Which button? You just hold it down. I did a little modifications to this just to make it more solid, and I added the V hook. I got the V hook from Etsy, followed their directions, attached it there to make it more Ghostbusters-ish compared to the to what Spirit of Halloween did with that one. So this looks pretty cool. It's life size, nothing fancy. That's basically it. On the back side, for the straps, it's like the version 2. Waist strap, all that. That's it. Pretty lightweight. That's it. That's all she wrote. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing. I know this is a little bit different from the military history that I usually post. I bought this out of a whim because I like Ghostbusters, grew up with Ghostbusters, and yeah. As what Stan would say, share your hobby, share your passion, and thank you for watching. Take care, and stay tuned for another History Collectors Forum video.